Do you need a portable power station that can not just power your devices, but actually power your home? We're breaking down the Anker Solix F3800 Plus. This is the most expandable portable power station that I have ever seen. And today we're going to put it to the test. I'm going to show you the features, give you a discount code so you can save some money if you need something that can power your home. You're watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad. Let's go. Before we dive into really putting this portable power station to the test, let's just go over what comes with this power station and just a little bit of the features that you can actually see. Just so you know, this thing really is a hoss, weighing it at 130 pounds. So we need an easy way to tow it. So if you push this blue button, boop, easy tow handle comes up. Also, notice there's rubber feet. So we can actually lay this down. And on the other end, take a look, we got a handle. So if we need to lift this up to carry it, we can do that. Starting from the front, you can see to the right, we got our power button. Turn the power on and off so we can see that display. Then we got a display button. You don't want to see the display? No problem. To the left of the display button, we've got our Bluetooth button. So if you want to use that app, you can connect. To the left of that, we've got our car socket. So we've got our DC. Then below, we've got our USB-C and USB ports. So you can charge your phone. Maybe you want to charge your computer. There you go. Now we're going to check out the ports located on this side of the Anker Solix power station. So up top looks like a home. This is our home panel port. So you can actually get a smart home panel and connect with this port. Below that, we've got our AC input port. So here's where we've got our 110 volt plug, like that. Then we've got our overcharge protection, so safety device. Below that port, we've got our dual solar inputs. So we can connect up to 3,200 watts of PV. That's a pretty big array for this power station. Below this, we've got a little battery symbol. This is our battery expansion port. So this is where we can expand our kilowatt hours of storage. Below this battery expansion port, we've got our generator charging port. So can we charge this up with a generator? Absolutely. Now let's take a look at the other ports on the other side of this power station. So up here, top left, we've got our NEMA TT30R AC output port. Then to the right of that port, we've got our NEMA L1430R AC output port. Then down here, we've got our NEMA 520R AC output port. Left three ports have UPS. So on the left, these three have UPS. Then over here, we've got our overcharge protection for the AC output ports. So it's nice having that safety. A lot of flexibility. I can see us being able to use this to maybe hook up an RV, a camper. So that's beautiful, having a power station with this capability. Now let me show you this on Signature Solar's website. Let's look at some of those specs or features, and then we're going to test this thing out. So I'm on Signature Solar's website where I got this. I put a link in the description and a discount code so you can save some money. You can see it says 3840 watt hour. So that's our battery storage in the portable power station. Then it says 6,000 watt. So we can assume there's a split phase inverter that's 6,000 watt for this particular portable power station. You can see we got expansion batteries available for $21.99. So we can add another 3840 watt hours to this. We've got a foldable solar panel. So Anker's got a foldable solar panel for 800 bucks, 400 watt we could get for this. Let's move on down to some of the features. Looks like 6,000 watt inverter, 53.8 kilowatt hour for extended power outages. Unbelievable. So you can tie two of these together and then you can just add batteries. 2,400 watts of solar input. So up to almost 3,000. Looks like 5-year hassle-free warranty. So we got 5-year warranty. Equipped with the NEMA 1450 and L1430. So charge your EV, charge your car, or charge your RV. Amazing. I love it. Go check out Signature Solar. Now, Let's go ahead and put it to the test. First, I'm gonna lock these wheels just in case this thing tries to take off. I've got a vacuum cleaner, I've got 2 LED lights in series, and I've got my table saw all plugged in to the ports over here, and we've pushed the button to the top right so you can see these ports are active, ready to be used. Now, turn on the display so we can see. Up here, it's going to show the wattage. Let's go ahead and turn on the first load. About 170 watts. Now let's turn on the second loads. Both of these LED lights. Looks like we're about 700 watts. Now, turn on this load. 1,500 watts. All right, now for the real test. Let's unplug just the chop saw and plug in my pipe threader. See if it'll start the pipe threader. If I need to thread some pipe, gotta have some real power. Wow. Let's check out the wattage. 1538, wow. So now you know it can handle some loads. Let's check out the Anker Solix app. So I got the app right here. You can see I've connected to this previously. Let's go ahead and reconnect. You may have to push the little phone icon button right here. Let's click that. Should connect. And there we go. We can see 88%, 55 degrees. So that's great. We have this great monitoring solution so we can see the battery's temperature. We can see our capacity that's left. We can actually activate that AC output. Let's go ahead and do it. We've got some things plugged in. There goes our vacuum. There goes our LED lights. Look at that, 685 watts. That is so cool. We can turn on the light, turn on the screen. We can activate any of those ports. We can see up top remaining usage time. So amazing. I love this monitoring solution. Hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned something. If you did learn something, let me know what it was down in the comments. You got a question? Remember, questions can lead to new content, so put your questions down below. I'll put a link in the description to the Anker Solix 1000 so you can check out that portable power station. There's also a link on how to actually hook up a portable power station and run your gas furnace. So if your home loses power, you can still have some heat. Go check out those videos and learn more. Remember, Signature Solar is a great place to get a power station like this, or an EG4 inverter, or a solar panel, or a mini split that's solar powered. So go check out their website, and I put it in the link in the description with a discount code so you can save some money. Hit the like button, subscribe, smash that bell, ding, so you know what I'm doing. You've been watching Taddy Digest. I'm Tad, and I'll keep you cool if you let me.